How's it going? This is Data Coach Alex, and welcome to Alteryx 2-Minute Tools. The official Alteryx definition of the count records tool is returns a count of the number of records passing through the tool. Honestly, this is the easiest tool to use in Alteryx. It counts the number of rows in your data set. That said, let's take a look at a common use case for the count records tool. We're going to be pairing it with a join. To use this tool, simply add it from the transform menu and add a browse after it. Our top data set here has 5 records. But we're going to pair this new tool with the join tool. Our first data set has 5 records with 2 fields, sales rep name and the state that they cover. Our second data set has zip codes by states. We want to join these 2 data sets together on state. There's a potential problem though. We don't have a one-to-one relationship between these 2 tables. We have extra and missing states. Let's join them together. We will have a Join 2-Minute Tool video released in a couple of weeks to learn more about the Join tool. The L output of the join tells us how many states in the left data source did not have a match with the right data set. The J output tells us how many matches are shared between the 2 data sets. And finally, the R output tells us how many states from the right data set were not in the left data set. We can then use the count records tool to see how many matched and unmatched values we have. We can see that we have 3 unmatched records, where the left table didn't find matching states in the right. We have 5 matched records. And we have 1 unmatched record, where the right table didn't find a match and our left table on state. As always, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Data Coach channel for more awesome lessons on Alteryx and all things data, analytics, and visualizations. Follow Data Coach on Twitter at AskTessellation and follow me personally on Twitter at Abracadata89. Thanks again.